Now, alam ko na sinasabi natin that Christmas is season of giving. Pero, I've realized that mas marami ang nagpapakita ng intention to ask for donations rather than those people who try to click like or share or comment on the business post, mga ganon. It's not panunumpat. It's something that we entrepreneurs ask because we earn money the hard way. Hindi lahat ng panahon ay kumikita at hindi lahat malaki ang kita. And also at the same time, also think na kung kailangan nyo yung mga business na establishments na mag-donate sa inyo, sana rin kahit papano ay makapag-support rin tayo. Because your support will mean a lot to us, the entrepreneurs, lalo na kung may mga marami empleyado na pinapasahod, may mga taong umaasa rin sa business. Again, a simple like, a simple share, a simple comment could help in the promotion or marketing activity of a business.